Functions of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids have two important functions: replication and protein synthesis. Replication, the process by which a single DNA molecule produces two identical copies of itself, is called replication or cell division. So DNA has this unique property of duplication. Replication of DNA is an enzyme catalyzed process. Genetic information for the cell is coded in the sequence of bases A, T, G and C in DNA molecule. During division of cell DNA, molecule replicate and produce exact copies of themselves. Each daughter cell has DNA molecules identical to that of parent cell. Actually, it begins by partial unbinding of double helix to breaking of hydrogen bonds between pairs of bases, leading to the formation of two isolated strands. और जो each strand है, it is template of the pattern for the synthesis of new strand in the cell environment. क्योंकि जो बेस पेयरिंग है प्रिंसिपल है, जो न्यू स्ट्रैंड है दैट इज कंप्लीमेंटेड टू द ओल्ड स्ट्रैंड ऑफ DNA. So in this way, hereditary effects are transmitted from one cell to the other cell. Now this is the structure shown: A to T, G to C, T to A. And these are the new strands. This is called replication. This is called replication of DNA molecule. Protein synthesis. Another important function of DNA is the synthesis of all proteins present in the cell. The DNA molecule in the cell nucleus hold the codes of the protein synthesis. The genetic information is coded in DNA in the form of specific sequence of bases. DNA directed synthesis of proteins occurs in the following two steps: transcription and translation. Transcription involves copying of DNA base sequence into a RNA molecule called the messenger RNA. And this is called transcription. Translation. The messenger RNA directs protein synthesis in the cytoplasm of cell with the help of ribosome, RNA, rRNA, and transfer RNA, tRNA. This process is called translation. जो मैसेंजर RNA है, ये प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस साइटोप्लाज्म में करता है with the help of RNA and tRNA. This is called translation. The DNA sequence that codes for a specific protein is called a gene, and Every protein in a cell has a corresponding gene. The relation between nucleotide triplets and the amino acid is called genetic code. Then is mutation. It is a chemical or physical change that alters the sequence of bases in DNA strands that can lead to the synthesis of protein with altered amino acid sequence. So anything that causes mutation is called mutagen. Mutation results from X-ray or UV light, ionization radiations, chemicals or viruses. The changes in sequence of bases in DNA are repaired automatically by chemical enzymes in the cell. If it is not, the protein produced has no biological activity and the cell dies. Mutation often provides harmful and give rise to symptoms that cause disease. Sickle cell anemia is one of the such example. Such disease is passed on from one generation to the next. The genetic codes has four main features. It is universal, it is degenerate, it commonless. The third base of the codon is less specific, and there is a single code for all living organisms.